Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance cooling with the Be Quiet Dark-Rock Pro 5 CPU Cooler, a powerhouse designed for those who demand the best from their systems. This cooler boasts 7 high-performance copper heat pipes and a special black coating with ceramic particles, ensuring your CPU stays cool even during peak performance in heavily overclocked systems. Equipped with 2 silent Wings PWM fans featuring advanced fluid dynamic bearings and airflow-optimized blades, it delivers immensely high airflow with minimal noise. The innovative speed switch lets you toggle between quiet and performance modes, offering a fan speed of up to 1500 RPM for everyday tasks or unleashing up to 2000 RPM for maximum cooling power. Installation is a breeze with its clever design, including a detachable mesh top cover and a black mounting kit that perfectly complements its sleek aesthetic. Plus, its compatibility with liquid metal thermal grease like District of Columbia 2 Pro means your high-end CPU can reach new performance heights. With German engineering and quality at its core, the Dark-Rock Pro 5 continues the iconic legacy of Be Quiet.